So I got my new axe painted up. And I'll test her out now. Got a nice big birch stump. And I got a couple blocks of ice to test the hammer end on.
A little bit, eh? Oh, nice.
First swing.
How is the paint?
Held up pretty good so far.
That's pretty good. Tough paint. Tough paint.
Do another one.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh, big Bertha. Oh, yes. Man, that actually split pretty deadly.
Yeah, it's got enough weight to do it.
Yeah. Oh.
A little off center that.
Yeah. Uh-oh. The paint, maybe.
The paint's slowing it down,
Yeah. Too much resistance with the paint. The clear coat's still tacky. Yeah. Oh, yes.
Not bad. That first one I kind of hit like right here.
Yeah.
Just barely on the edge.
Kind of bit into it.
Not bad. I'll try the ice now.
Ice.
Ka-thunk. Oh, hi, Zuma.
Jeez. Yeah. Zuma's got the ice now. Beautiful. Beautiful form. Yeah. How's she holding up?
Pretty good.
Oh, yeah.
The paint actually holds up a lot better than I would expect. Splitting wood and stuff. Use it all the time, it wouldn't hold up very long, but for a few splits it works.
Yeah.